Welcome to this tutorial on the Kyocera MA6000. Today we will walk through unboxing and setting up your printer upon arrival. Begin by ensuring the box is facing right side up. Carefully cut the tape along the top of the box. On all four sides of the box, remove the white plastic tabs by squeezing the two center tabs. From here, simply lift and remove the outer box. Carefully unwrap the plastic, being mindful not to throw away any loose components. Unwrap the large cardboard box under the user interface and remove the contents, which includes a high-speed network cable, waste cartridge, power cable, user manual, and paper tray slider lock. After removing all the tape and padding, open up the main front panel by pressing the button on the top right of the panel. To remove the toner cartridge, pull the blue tab on the right side forward. Carefully remove the cartridge and gently shake back and forth 5 to 6 times. Replace the ink cartridge, being sure to lock it in place. On the left side of the machine, open the waste cartridge bay door. Insert the empty waste cartridge, making sure that it clicks into place. Once you have plugged in and turned on your printer, the user interface will show a loading screen. The machine must mix the toner with the ink upon first turning on. This process takes several minutes. Add paper into the front paper tray, using the gray tabs on the back of the sliders to adjust the dimensions. Use the multi-purpose paper tray on the front for alternative types of paper such as envelopes or labels. On the user interface, select a language setting followed by a time zone. The machine will then prompt you to enter the date and time. Hit Next, and the machine will ask you to set Prevent Missending. Hit Go to Settings and deselect the top 2 settings for a more fast and efficient printing experience. Hit Next and then Finish. The printer then gives the option to print a status page containing information such as the toner levels, network settings, and job counts. For more information or to get in touch with one of our helpful representatives, visit us online.